Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and tap to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the screen. New, select the video from your device and tap to the OK button. New, tap to the video clip and go to the second option, the split, at the bottom of the page. New, just pile the icon at in the just pile the icon on the video clip, and if you don't, just click to the OK icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.